What if I told you that you could make delicious, healthy, and 100% vegan meals in less time than it takes to scroll TikTok after dinner? First up, vegan stir-fried noodles. This is your go-to when you are craving takeout but want it faster and healthier. Next up, the chickpea avocado salad sandwich. Think tuna salad, but vegan, fresher, and way easier. Mash a can of chickpeas with a ripe avocado. Meal number 3, 10-minute vegan tacos. Grab some canned black beans, corn, and whatever veggies you had on hand.
Now let's talk pasta, because what's life without pasta? This is creamy garlic mushroom pasta.
Number 5, vegan fried rice. Got leftover rice? You're halfway there. Toss rice in a hot pan with garlic, soy sauce, peas, carrots, and green onions.
Meal 6, vegan burrito bowl. It's basically Chipotle at home, but faster. Layer cooked rice, black beans, corn, shredded.
And finally, number 7, peanut butter tofu stir fry. Don't knock it till you try it.
So there you have it, 7 easy vegan meals you can cook in under 20 minutes.
If you enjoyed these recipes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more quick vegan meals.